ERC-20 is the technical standard for fungible tokens created using the Ethereum blockchain. A token that can be used in place of another token is fungible. Different tokens with smart contract functionality can be exchanged thanks to ERC-20. In today's video, we will learn about the ERC-20 cryptocurrency tokens in details. Tokens are a representation of something that is not unique in and of itself, but can be transferred, such as an asset, right, ownership, access, or cryptocurrency. The standard permits smart contracts and tokens representing one of these elements to be exchanged for tokens representing another element. The Ethereum network now supports the creation of custom tokens thanks to the ERC-20 token standard. It has made it simpler for businesses to create blockchain goods rather than creating their own coin. Many well-known digital currencies use the ERC-20 standard. Some popular examples are Tether USD, USD Coin, Shiba Inu, Binance USD, BNB, DI stablecoin, Hex, Bitfinex LEO, Maker. At Finance Doc, we will be sharing more explanation videos related to cryptocurrencies, trading, forex, and many more. So watch this video till the end and hit the subscribe button, and click on the bell icon to get notifications for our future videos. So let's begin the video. Top 4 Ethereum ERC-20 cryptocurrency tokens by market cap as of SEP 2022. The USD having a market cap of around $19.36 billion. DI having a market cap of around $7.00 billion. Matic having a market cap of around $6.72 billion. Shiba Inu having a market cap of around $6.66 billion. History of ERC-20. Developer Fabian Vogelsteller proposed ERC-20 in 2015 as a means of standardizing the tokens used in smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Vogelsteller published the suggestion as an Ethereum request for comment via the project's GitHub page, ERC. It was given the label ERC-20 because it was the 20th comment the suggestion was authorized and implemented in 2017 as Ethereum Improvement Proposal 20 following the process employed by the Ethereum developer community, EIP-20. However, it continues to go by the name ERC-20 because that is how people referred to it prior to its approval. What's the difference between ETH and ERC-20? The native coin utilized by the Ethereum blockchain and network as a means of exchange for confirming transactions is called Ether or ETH. The Ethereum ecosystem requires fungible tokens that adhere to the ERC-20 standard in order to be used with smart contracts. Properties of ERC-20 tokens. Each token has the same unique code as every other token. However, transaction histories can be used to distinguish and group the tokens involved. They are fungible tokens. They can be transferred from one address to another. To prevent developers from issuing more tokens and increasing the supply, a predetermined quantity of tokens must be created. Disadvantages of ERC-20 tokens. CryptoKitties have encountered significant demand. The Ethereum network has become congested. As a result, the network sputters and transactions cost more money. To prevent developers from issuing additional tokens and increasing the supply, a set amount of tokens must be issued. A second cryptocurrency is required to cover the transaction fees when using ERC-20 tokens in transactions. Due to the dust it may produce on many platforms, this may increase both time and cost. Future of ERC-20 tokens. As long as Ethereum retains its standing, ERC-20 tokens will continue to gain popularity. If anything, the internal enemy, new Ethereum standards, poses their greatest threat. They will have to be the fittest to survive when it comes to natural selection.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on our upcoming videos.